just watched this on YouTube like at lunch
I know,
today.
I didn't see it the other day.
Oh my gosh, this is so awesome.
I did not see it the other day.
Double rainbow.
Here at dinner, because we had a double rainbow.
Yeah, birdie. Oh my god.
Alright, I'm recording this. Y'all yell.
All the way.
Actually,
Speed.
So
friendly.
You can like totally see it. Oh, I can see the purple.
It's a double rainbow.
I know, isn't that great?
You can like totally see the purple.
Yeah.
Double rainbow. Oh, that was a good thing. Awesomeness.